What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stuff the Lawn Surgeon. Today I'm gonna do a quick video on how to remove some bushes. Right here we got some bushes right here. There's one right here and one on the other side of the bush. We're gonna remove it and I'm gonna show you a quick easy way on how to do that. Stay tuned. Yes sir. Alright people, as you see we have some bushes right here that have grown together. They want to keep this one on the corner, but they want to remove this one and this one right here. And then we're going to be hedging up the rest of the bushes. And I'm removing a couple of other bushes as well. Like 8 other ones, but but the easiest way to cut down bushes is you want to get it in one big piece as possible. So you want to try to attack it from the inside. If I could show you that, you want to get right down there to close to the root and cut it off. And then you want to get right down there close to the root with your chainsaw, so you have big pieces, because if you try to cut it down from the top, then you're gonna end up with a whole bunch of small pieces. Makes cleanup a lot easier when it's in big chunks. So I'm gonna go get my chainsaw, see if we can get in there. I saw a couple wasps flying around. Hopefully there's no wasp nest in there. I'll find out real quick if there is. Always something, people. As soon as I start, chain comes off. Luckily, and so I always carry my tools in my truck. So, get this back. All right, people. As you can see, might have overworked it a little bit, and I got 10 more to go. But that's what I do. I cut it down, clean up, and then go to the next one. That's the next one I'm gonna be cutting over there. But as you can see, if you wanted to know how to remove a bush, that's how you do it. And as you can see, these bushes are very old, as you can see by the width of this trunk. Anywho, I'm gonna continue to cut down these bushes, and y'all have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. You're good.